gonna run into that guy. So
road time is what I meant. So, you know, whatever.
I see your car, man.
This is a horse trailer without horses.
Without horses.
I'm over here talking about chop shops.
This is Rick talking about illegal shit.
We're talking about smoking or drinking, promise, Mom.
You even have them on?
I was an angel in my past.
So do you even have them on?
Yeah, not really. I have them all.
See everything you've seen before
1,000 times.
Kilroy here, MakoEvents.com. Welcome to Oklahoma Invasion.
This isn't a job.
No, I know that. I'm trying to. Okay.
Where are you landing? How many minutes you got left?
Me? I'm probably at like 6. Oh. Okay. Yep. Let's go. Medic! You good, man? Thanks, Bobby. Yeah, medic! Are they still at ceasefire? Or? No, there's no ceasefire. They're firing. They moved to the right.
Get over here. Get over. We got good.
Hey, you dropped drag.
Need a medic. What? Medic down.
Who's hit?
These two right here.
Where'd you get? Head.
Cover? Yep. You cover.
Get ready. Give him hard cover.
On the front?
Hold on.
Wall cover on the front?
Where are you?
1, 2, 3.
Whatever.
3, 2 right here.
Y'all need any more medical?
Nope. No hit. Yeah. I have no idea. Base is the other way. I think we're pushing on just down another road.
shooting to the left. I'm shooting left. I got you. Sorry to keep you waiting. You got it? In the tower. Swing it wide. Swing it wide. Let me know when you're getting ready to fire. And I'm going to cross over before you do. I got a guy with a dead rag over here, but he keeps popping his head out. So, you ready? I'm going to cross over and I'm going to move forward. Hit! There's right people right there. Woo! Sorry.
He's in the tower, we got him.
No, there's one right here that shot that people. I mean, right.
Where'd you get hit?
Hey, thanks for coming.
Where'd you get it? This side. Oh, he said that was us. Okay. Watch your back. Not you. No, this one.
Anybody, is that you? Hey, why are you shooting me? Identify yourself.
Alright.
Dead right off.
He got a medic on him? Okay.
You got medic?
Yeah, he's got it.
This guy's telling me that he just got hit. Medic right here. Coming. Oh, never mind. Yeah.
Okay, we need to take our more time to take over things because that was quick too.
Yeah.
You guys going around that other side with a lifesaver because he didn't know what to do. He was just like, fuck.
I was trying to move up so you could move up, and I kept shooting, and then he hit me. Good shot too, around the chest.
I got it on the arm, but that one in the head and one in the arm. So, I've only been in 2 firefights, 2 shots. So. Bobby? Take some cover, take some cover.
I wanna get my EIB, E-I-B-I-O. So I went to the lanes to get my go, E-I-B-I-O. Got a no-go here and a no-go there. Here a no-go, there a no-go, everywhere a no-go. Time to take the walk of shame, E-I-B-I-O. badge protector had a lane. E-I-B-I-O. And on his lane, nobody gotta go. E-I-B-I-O. With a no-go here and a no-go there. Here a no-go, there a no-go, everywhere a no-go. I should punch him in the nose. E-I-B-I-O. Me and Cadre got in a fight. E-I-B-I-O. Didn't seal my mask just right. E-I-B-I-O. Got a no-go here and a no-go there. Here a no-go, there a no-go, everywhere a no-go. Two no-goes, now I'm blade running. E-I-B-I-O.
Bags in. Hey, do you have any comms on where everybody is? Negative. We got solid green up ahead. Roger. Get off. Load out. Move. We need our beauty sleep. What's he talking about? Can't look this pretty on that little sleep. We got our beauty sleep. Well, I got there at like 10 till 4, and at 4:30 there was just 3 of us. They sent me up the road to navigate people. This Jeep comes in, pitch black, can't see shit. I'm gonna just slice everything up, and I'm laying on the ground with a gun that's not mine. I'm trying to borrow a gun because mine fell off again. And they jumped down on my, right there, and I just jump back and I go, quick, won't feed. The gun I have, wouldn't feed. So I grab my side and I just start lighting people up. Well, you hear, nobody calls it hit, but I can't see from me to you. And I was like, fuck this. We're ready. Right side of the woods. I think I've only got one bag. Sounds like our drive. Oh, it's our job, huh? Where are we going?
We're going to the right side of the woods up here. We're releasing that. Up front. Watch that one where it goes.
We made it.
Good job, man. Help your buddies up.
Alright, we're that up here.
Go through that wood.
pretty heavy across the other two. Notice the tree line?
Right.
Just start to push in over here as well.
Okay.
One tree's dropping back. So
Roger.
start to push right from here.
Fuck! Hit! Right in the fucking face.
Ready?
Yep. Okay.
Run behind me. Let's move.
I need medic! Give me medic!
Over here. We got two right here.
Alright, you get.
Alright, you got a squad. This is our squad.
There, but then the other guys are shooting.
Hey, inside squad, we're supposed to fall back.
Who else is hit?
Right here. Right.
There you go. You're gonna go.
Squad 3, if you need ammo, fall back.
Need to push up on this stuff up here. We'll drop down and swing around.
I'd love to.
Yeah, well, I'm just saying that's what we're gonna do. Alright. Oh. Alright. Can you crawl up there and medic him? Oh, okay. Well, I pulled one off the floor in the truck. No. Yeah, just stay low. Yeah. All right, cold mag, cold mag.
You got the spare?
Huh?
You got the spare?
Yeah, I got a couple. They're all plastic though.
No.
Oh, rag. He's just got a medic up there. He's good now. Let's drop down and push up around the side. Up to that bunker if we can. I'll take point if I get hit. Just cover my ass because they're gonna try to come get my card if they know I'm leaving. If you want to. Yeah. There's the bunker. That's the bunker. Yeah, I saw that. Far right bunker. Yeah. Drop down this road and just try to come up. Huh? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I know. Yep.
Good enough to go up there and come around the hide for a way and come back in there.
Yeah.
But I don't feel like doing that.
No. If we can get down here, we can come up off on the hill. I can get down in this ditch. Go for it. This bank. Drop it down in the ditch. Yep. Alright.
Come back around to him.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Alright.
Ambush. It's an ambush. A fucking ambush. It's an ambush. I'm gonna hide in the bushes. I'm gonna hide in the bushes. I'm gonna hide in the bushes and shoot you when you walk by. Ambush. I'm gonna set in the Claymore.
I need more than
I'm
two
gonna
guys.
set in the Claymore. I'm gonna hide in the bushes and daisy chain the Claymore. Ambush.
Yeah. Yeah.
Should've stayed off the road, man. I guess you'll plan better next time. Oh, there is no next time. Thanks for the MREs.
That's over 20 feet. Hit!
Fall back, get inside here, get inside here.
Medic!
Alright, go, let's fall back, get out of here.
Oh, I got bleed out now.
Well, yeah, but they said that if we're right in the middle of it, we can move. And I'm still just not like trying to work in front of it.
Well, what was that, half their forces? What? I got a collection, right? Yeah. Okay. Fucking tank? APC. Yeah.
You guys put films there.
Where's our UN guys at? God damn it. Put electrical tape on it.
Having all of us sitting here is right.
Yeah, we need to keep moving. Alright, put up cover, Taz, and move up to those cylinders over there.
Okay.
Alright, go. Alright, you wanna go? Yeah. Alright, go for it. Cross below. Left in the wood. I don't want to get too close and get our entire fucking squad taken out.
Get back here. Get this over here.
Yeah. Send 6 guys over there. That's all we've got is 6 guys.
There's mass movement in the left. Where it's holding from.
Yep.
Be a trail kind of through there.
Yep.
Because they're all coming up behind me.
Cold. Said cold, as in my mag is out.
No, I think it's oh.
Nope, cold. Get it back. Hot. You guys see anything?
Nope. Right where that kid is that moved up.
Yep.
I think that was down there.
Yeah. I think the guy sitting there dead earlier, so I think it's probably a murder hole. I don't know why they moved us over here.
Got said.
See that direction?
Yeah.
There was some movement.
I see it now, yeah.
I can't tell if it's still through the road or not.
Damn it, if I had my fucking DMR, I could have got back there.
Oh, fuck. Don't run in front of a kid.
It doesn't matter if you don't see him.
See him.
They're moving heavy left.
Should we go back?
No.
You want to call him? I mean, we got a fucking ton here, and those are our guys.
Are they pushing? We just got a firing line up there. That look like
2-6, 2-3.
they're on a suicide mission. They're trying to set up a firing squad.
I see movement still. Can't tell if it's
Here
a
they
road or
come,
not.
see them.
They went back. They went back.
Right, heading toward the road.
Do 3 to do 6.
Do you think they're going to try and come through our gate?
Here,
I'm hearing a lot of pushing over there.
Yeah.
I've seen a squad come through this way. Let's slow down.
I think either way we'll get a little bit of action.
You guys have grown! Yeah! You know how much you've grown? First invasion we had 80 people. That's it. 80 people. 620. How long ago was that? 6 years ago? They've been consecutive, so yeah, 80 people 6 years ago. Now we're at 600. 660. 660. 660. Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna miss a lot of people and saying thanks. And I'm kind of fried. You know, we've been going a lot. You know, at full speed since we've been here. If I even forget your name, don't take it personally. Because again, my mind's fried right now. We're gonna raffle off the first bag of BBs. Okay, call the number. We just wrapped up Oklahoma Invasion number 6. Here with Claymore and Frosty, the guys behind MilSimEvent.com. So what was the final tally of numbers there today?
660. 660. That was the roster number. Of course, not everybody shows up, and I won't know that for a few days until everything comes in.
So this is number 6. That means you guys started this 6 years ago.
6 years ago. I was the CEO for 1, 2, and 3, and we decided to do 4 and try a new avenue of MilSim, and we've been pushing ourselves ever since. So
you guys been doing Oklahoma Invasion for 6 years. How long have you combined been playing Airsoft?
I need some info.
Combined Airsoft, I'm about 7 years now. I've been playing about 7 years, yes.
5.
Yeah, that's right. 12 years, yeah. 12 years of Airsoft experience.
He said combined. My mind's fried from being up so long. So
we're bloody, we're sweaty, we smell like ass, we're cramping, we're slightly dehydrated.
A little bit of sunburn.
Exactly.
At 4 a.m. we were in the field.
Right.
Not the Army's getting ready. But we were. So we've been going long and hard.
And that's MilSim, guys.
You guys.
I mean, our squad, MAKO squad, along with KCAC squad and 2nd platoon, we sat out there for 2 hours sometimes guarding shit, and it's MilSim. I mean, if you guys want to go play Airsoft, go play Airsoft. If you want to play MilSim, Oklahoma Invasion is where it's at. Alright? Apart from Oklahoma Invasion, what other MilSim events do you guys host?
We host Black Op, which I want to be able to say exactly what that is. If you weren't there, then missed out.
Don't ask, don't tell.
You know, we didn't mention that during the whole thing. I think this would be a good time right now to mention that Black Ops 2.
Exclusively brought to you.
Black Ops 2, this is our other series that we're doing. We find that when you bring a different caliber of people, and it is an invite only, and it's not to punk people or anything, it's just to get the right mixture of players, caliber of players, knowledge base of players in the right environment to where we can have a very, very good game. So that's where the Black Ops series was developed from. It's a very small game. It's always 100 people or less. This year, we're doing Black Ops 2 on September 11th, right? You want to tell them where, Frosty?
Skiatook Lake.
You heard that. Lake Skiatook, Oklahoma, on a place called Armadillo Island. It's an island game. Wow.
I get to bust out my flotation bag.
It's a 24-hour MilSim, so this was kind of a taste. So we're still developing it. We have our insurance in line. We have approvals in line, and it's just a matter of finishing the game. Frosty, redeveloping a few things, finishing the game out, and publishing it to players that either get text, emails, people on the backside. I have most of the contact information out there for people, so the right people
We're treading
will
new
know.
water on this one.
Hey, you take it easy.
It's definitely something that's going to be first for around here. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to it, especially because it's in Skytook and that's where I'm from, so it makes it easy on me.
And at that op, we will announce something that we think is going to change the face of MilSim internationally. Frosty and I put a pretty good mark on Oklahoma, maybe national, international. We won that award with the gift of all the players voting for us. But I think this next announcement coming up September 11th is going to change the face of MilSim for the world, international face of MilSim. So you guys be on the lookout for Black Ops 2 coming September 11th.
Alright guys, you're here first. MilSimEvent.com.
MilSimEvent.com.
You guys got your rule sets up there, forums?
Everything. /forums for our forums. Oklahoma information is live for everybody to see. It's not locked down. If you want to see the rest of the forum, you got to sign in and register. I invite anybody and everybody to come to there and bring their good MilSim comments and suggestions to what we do.
If you ever need to reach Frosty or Claymore, I believe it's MilSimEvent.com.
Yes.
Alright. You guys need to reach me at any time. Obviously, it's Kilroy at MAKOEvents.com. We're not any size near these guys. Our events can't touch them just yet. We're working on it. If you guys have any questions anytime, let us know. Until next time, mags out, safety's on.
Yeah, he's
Hey, iPro on!
iPro on!
iPro on!
Or cover your face. Have everyone cover your face. Make sure you keep your iPro on.
iPro on! On your fucking face! Put it on!
Keep it on.
I know if I tattled to the right people, I'd raise enough hell. I would have walked up and said something, but fuck, they always look at me like I'm an idiot, so.